when I'm recruiting people and I only see that they've got one certification and it's the foundation level certification and that's it, that triggers curiosity in me. Why did you stop there? Have you got any other experience to back that up? What else have you done to augment your skill and practice base? So if you haven't got further certificates, further education, why did you stop exploring? What's going on there? Now, you could have really good reasons for it, but it's a flag for a conversation. Because the PSM is an entry level certificate. It's a 2-day course to help build a foundational understanding of how the Scrum framework works. And so then we'll be exploring that. How do you use the framework? And really what we're looking for when I'm trying to find someone, I want to understand whether they're a mechanical Scrum Master, whether they're following one of the anti-pattern ways of being a Scrum Master, where the Scrum Secretary, the Scrum Admin, the Scrum Police, which is interesting but not really helpful because it just instills mechanical Scrum, or whether they're deeply understanding the principles, they get transparency, inspection, adaptation, and they use the Scrum values to boost trust, build better feedback loops, and help that team deliver the maximum value for the organization. And if that means they need to get after some impediment that's happening within the organization, they do so. If you've only done a PSM I, there's so much more information out there. There's so much more data, so many more practices. What have you done to augment your skill base? That's what I'm curious about. How are you keeping yourself growing? And I think that's a really important thing to explore. What are you reading? What blogs are you following? What are you doing to be more effective? Because we can't ask our teams to continuously improve if we don't model that behavior. So we got to step up and walk the talk.